Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This video is all about Live Pure Water Purifier product demo and review. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and do like, comment and share. Also, please watch this video till the end. So this is how the water purifier looks like. The model we purchased is Pepro Plus Plus. It has RO, UV, UF and taste enhanced features. We have purchased this product in Flipkart. The price of this product ranges between 8,000 to 9,000 rupees based on the current offers available. Once the product gets delivered, you will receive a call from LivePure installation team and they will arrange a technician for the installation. Before the installation, make sure you have a socket already available where you can connect the power supply of the purifier. The installation is free of cost. We have got a separate section in our kitchen above the sink area for setting up the water purifier, and this is how we have connected the power supply to nearby socket. Coming to the features of this purifier, as you can see they have provided a LED display and a tap. You can move the tap forward and backward. It has got two pipes, one is the inlet pipe and the other one is the outlet pipe. The inlet pipe is white in color and the outlet pipe is blue in color. You need to connect the inlet pipe to the tap from where it would be taking the water into the purifier, and the outlet pipe will drain out the wastewater which will directly go into the sink. Even though the tap is connected to the purifier, we can simultaneously use the tap water for the other household purposes as well. Once we have switched on the power, as you can see the first and second indicators get enabled. First is the power and the second one indicates that the tank is getting filled up. The third one will get enabled once the tank is full. While the water is getting filled, you can see that the wastage water is being sent out from the outlet pipe like this until the water gets completely filled in the tank. Now you can see the third indicator getting enabled as the tank is full, and the second indicator got disabled. Once you start consumption of water, third option gets disabled, which means the tank is partially full, and the second option gets enabled. As you can see, the water is filled. Now let's switch off the power. Also, you can notice the LED display slowly gets disabled. Even the power is off, you can still consume the water as the tank is already filled up. You can consume until the tank becomes empty. Then you can again switch on the power supply. Now let's talk about the review of this product. At the time of installation, make sure the TDS level is set accordingly to the hardness of the water supply. In our case, we have set it up between 25 to 30 as our water is not too hard. The time taken to fill the tank is approximately 15 to 20 minutes, and it may vary based on the hardness of the water. The water tastes good as it has got the taste enhancer, and coming to the power consumption, we felt it's economical. This has got multi-stage filtration which performs RO, UV, UF processes. Coming to the specifications, the capacity of the tank is approximately 12 liters per hour as mentioned by the company, and the dimensions of the product is 50 centimeters long, 29 centimeter width. The weight is approximately 7.5 kgs. We have been using this water purifier for about 6 months and we are satisfied with the overall product. So this is all about the LivePure water purifier. Hope you like this video, and by the way, this is not a sponsored video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't done before. If you are planning to buy this product, please find the product link in the description box. Thanks for watching.